MMAT stock, Metamaterials Inc. For the session of the 8th of December 2021, it closed at $3.41, a gain of 2.1%. The volume was lighter than usual, 5.2 million shares. And what we have noticed is that since the last 3 months, that is, call it about 60 trading sessions, it has only closed above the 10 and the 20-day moving averages only 12 times. That is 20% of the time. So the underlying trend is a bearish one. Yes, it's a bearish one, but the momentum is also improving. But also the unbalanced volume indicator is indicating that there is a lack of buying interest, and the chart of its accumulation distribution, oh yes, it's also indicating, yes, it's just validating also that there is an improvement in accumulation, even though the unbalanced volume indicator is still not convinced that yes, that there's enough buying at the moment. So the stock is definitely very bearish, and we have also noticed that on a regular day, up all the way back to sometime early November, we have also noticed that there is at least 50, at least of all the trading volumes it has had since that time, since all the way back to the 9th of November, at least 50%, at least 45% of those volumes were sold short. So we've also noticed that there's a significant amount of open interests on its call series, all the way down to April 2022, all the way back to its April 2022 calls. There is a huge, a significant amount of open interest on those calls, and for sure, market makers, definitely, amongst other things, they will probably be getting involved to ensure they hedge their positions. They have to ensure they don't run into losses, and also make money. So if you add up all of those things, the fact that it's a popular stock, and then a lot of algos will be plugged into the stock to keep on selling it short, and market makers doing their business as well to I would say just ensure they short their to ensure they hedge their positions, because we are getting involved, we are keen on the stock, and it's not just only that, it also has two other series of adjustable options. So there's a huge interest in the stock. There's a huge interest, even though the volume does not validate that. The recent volumes do not exactly say that it has a huge interest. The volumes are very light, not so huge. The average volume for the last 12 months is about 14.406 million shares, and then over the last over the last 1 month, we have not seen the trading volumes have never really exceeded 4 million. So of late the volumes have dropped, but at the same time, all of those things, yes, the fact that there is some selling going on, it could be, yes, indeed, some short selling. So it mustn't really be about the volumes, as far as at least up to 50% of the entire volumes were sold, were sell volumes. So it will definitely lead to a depression of the stock. And some of these volumes, some of these sell transactions, they may come after. They usually come after buy transaction. They follow buy transaction. So all in all, I think the huge involvement right now from market participants has probably ensured that yes, the stock is now in a bearish trend. It has been in this bearish trend since since 9th of November. It has been in a bearish trend since the 9th of November. So that is if you're looking at it from the 3-month perspective, but over the 52-week perspective, it has that's also the case. It has also been in a bearish trend. So, but momentum is improving, just gradually improving. So we've also noticed that market participants are pricing in a move towards $5 to $6 based on the sort of open interests we're seeing on those strikes on the call side of things. So on the options side of things. So market participants are pricing in a move towards $5 to $6, and we have also determined a price target of $6.08. And funny enough, Reuters has a price target of what is it? $6.50. That's the price target they have for the stock. So yes, we have a price target of $6.08, and also market participants, investors are, based on what they're doing on the options, they are pricing in $5 to $6 as a target. So you may have also heard that the company's ARfusion for smart augmented reality, for example, provides a wearable AR technology in a lightweight format, such as glasses. And they have also gone into a collaboration with Covestro, the company, and as such, and they're now able to offer in a one-stop shop highly functional advanced materials and proprietary equipment for high volume production as it concerns prescription lenses for AR eyewear. So our price target is $6.08. See what you make of meta materials, and thank you very much for watching this video.